the freaking thing.
Yeah, well, there you go. You heard it from him. We're trying to take a nice drone shot, and somebody lost his drone. I mean, technically,
disconnect from the freaking drone. Well, we're about to bring it in.
Yeah.
Literally just a turn out of it.
So if we get a nice drone shot in this video, thank Rick. Go follow his Instagram. I'll show all that, plug all that shit later. But I mean,
it's coming this way. I'm just gonna land it here in the upper deck.
Yeah, let's land this thing because trying to take a good drone shot for the YouTube and almost lost the.
Do it for the gram.
We almost lost a pretty nice set of equipment right now, but
I just taking another cool shot. You know, like, oh fuck. Obviously, they'll see us on top of the deck.
Oh yeah, by the way, like
me.
we're on the deck, like looking for this freaking drone. So if you see two dumbasses standing on the deck, it's us. Now where's this drone at? All right, we found it.
I was gonna get back so I can land this damn thing.
Yeah, we can't even see in the video. It's like somewhere around there or whatever. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we found you, little buddy. And we're literally on the top deck, like looking for this thing, so.
People say it like this is for stupid people, man.
These aren't truckers. That's crazy. All right, we found it.
So we had a helipad.
For real, a launch pad on top of the truck.
Yeah, all right, so let's go. Yeah,
right.
Man, we almost lost the damn thing.
Oh, and by the way, we're hauling hay, so just so y'all know, I'll do a better video of that when we hit a truck stop. But yeah. All right, quick recap. The white truck is sick in Boston. It is having some congestion issues. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm riding with my boss, Rick. Team driving. It's cool, but it sucks because there's no room in here. But you gotta deal with what you gotta deal with. So right now we're currently loaded from Colorado, headed to somewhere near North Dakota with this bales of hay, and that's about it. So let's keep trucking and let's go.
It's currently like, you probably can't see, like 4:08. I'm in Stockford, Colorado, I think. I'm not sure, but bought some anti-gel. It's like 4:30 in the morning. It's kind of cold. But anyways, bought this anti-gel so we can put it in the truck. About to fuel up and then just make our way down to the drop-off. So let me get this thing set up to fuel up. This is kind of interesting. Load for us. We thought these were like hay, but this is like wood shredded into these bundles that are like for erosion prevention. So that's what we're hauling, moving it to somewhere near North Dakota. So let's keep fueling and get out of here so we can make up some time. Also, since we're here already, might as well check the oil in the truck because these 5500s do tend to consume a little bit of oil, so might as well give it a good check, make sure everything's at good operating level, so then we can. All right, so I checked my oil. It's in a safe spot, but I still want to add about a quarter or two. I didn't record myself checking oil because that's kind of boring. You already know how I check oil, or how to check oil, I hope. But now let me get some of the oil we carry in the truck, a funnel, add about a quart or two, and then we're good to go. Our cooler, by the way, real convenient, especially when you got these bad boys in there. Alright, so now let me just go get the receipt and get back on the road. We successfully made it to the drop-off. We're offloading this stuff right now, as you can see, so everything was well. Pretty interesting ride getting down here. We will for sure
more than likely never be moving something like this or hay, because you strap this down, a few seconds later you gotta restrap it. Well, not a few seconds, a few miles later you gotta restrap it, because there's no way you can get tension on these craps. But yeah, there's nothing we can do. But thank God we made it, safe and sound truck. Us, the load, everything's good. So from here, going somewhere else to go pick up another load about 5 miles away. So yeah, let's keep moving. Securement wise, this was something else to secure, but everything is secured, nice and strapped down, so we got no issues. So this we picked up like near North Dakota. It's headed towards Reno, Nevada, which is like 23 hours away, but we team drive, so we're taking it easy. Get there, deliver Monday, and then pick up again and maybe head to New Jersey. So yeah, the fun continues. We don't stop. That's the thing about team drives, you don't stop. But yeah, the truck is filthy, by the way. So yeah, we normally don't keep it this dirty, but when you run hard, you sometimes don't have time to stop and wash it. That, or when you do have some downtime, there's nowhere around to wash the truck. So yeah, just excuse the dirtiness of the truck. Pretty sure Rick's not happy that it's that's dirty and I'm making a film, but we can wash it. It's a work truck. But yeah, so let's continue moving forward. All right, guys, so that'll probably be the end of the video. We're gonna close, or we opened it with a nice drone shot from Pilot Rick right here, and we're gonna end it with a nice drone shot from Pilot Rick right here. So again, yes. And also, he was the one who edited all the drone shots, so if you like it, go follow his Instagram, because he always uploads there, and it's really cool. And anything you want to close the video with?
Really cruel or
Cool. My bad. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you all can enjoy this this new team drive journey that I don't think is gonna last too much longer.
Yeah, unfortunately,
but yeah. So the thing is, we're heading down to Reno, Nevada. Drop off on Monday, reload, and haul all the way down to New Jersey. So enjoy, and like all the videos, subscribe, do whatever you need to do down there.
And all that good shit. All right, y'all take care. See y'all till the next one.